Hi, my name is Marvel from SalesTarget.ai, and I'm here to walk you through SalesTarget.ai's key features and how this platform could be significantly beneficial for your business today. So, to begin with, our tool firstly is an all-in-one platform, and the reason we call it an all-in-one platform is because it helps you discover, engage, and close deals all in one place seamlessly. So, to begin with, how do we do things or get started rather? Well, we have our Lead Explorer, which is AI powered. Our Lead Explorer also boasts of 50 million leads. And over here, you could search leads based on your niche or your requirement. So I today want to search up accountants in California. So I seamlessly enter accountants in California, and the Lead Explorer AI search engine does the search and the rest for me. And you can see I have leads who are accountants from California, USA. You also have some advanced filters which will help you to narrow down your search. So once I have the leads that I want to connect with, I go ahead and create a list, or I go ahead and download them as a CSV file. Now, once I go ahead and create a list, we help you to reach out to your prospects, ensuring that your emails do not land in spam but reach out to every prospect's inbox. And how do we do that? We do that through our cold email outreach marketing tool. So to start our cold email marketing outreach, or to begin your journey, you simply need to go to the email section, click on that section. Once you click on this, you will have an option to add new. You click on add new. Over here, you would have three options where you could seamlessly begin your journey with SalesTarget.ai. So the first option is something where you have an option to go ahead and purchase ready to use pre-warmed up email accounts and domains, which means your email accounts do not need warming up in the backend. You can go ahead, purchase as per your requirement and get started immediately. The second option is you could purchase domains based on your requirement, and with one domain you would be able to add up to 5 email accounts and send 30 emails per email account. And based on your requirement, you can also go ahead and purchase the number of domains and add the required amount of email accounts you want. Then the last but not least option that we have is also for someone where you want to probably connect your personal email account, your AOL, your Gmail account basically, or your Outlook. Through the SMTP, we also have that option as well. Now, once you have connected your email account, you once again just have to click on the email section. You will be able to see that you're connected and your email score or reputation score is 100%, which means you're ready to go. Also, by clicking on the email score section, you will be able to see some advanced and basic warm-up filters which help you to further ensure that your emails land not in spam but to your prospects inbox every single time, ensuring that you're getting proper relevant responses. Now that we have added our email accounts, we go ahead and create a campaign. So how do we do this? We go click on the campaign section. Once we click on the campaign section, over here you would get your template section, which would come up first. Over here in the template section, we have 3 wonderful AI based options, which is number 1, what we call our sequence generator. So over here, the sequence generator basically creates a follow-up pattern so that based on your requirements and business, you can follow the prompts and the AI sequence generator would do the rest, creating a proper end-to-end sequence for you. Second, we have the AI content creator. So say for example, you're wanting to just create a one-off email or basically work around some templates. You just have to enter your requirement and the AI content creator does the rest. And then last but not least, something very interesting is we have our spin tags. Over here, say you have a template, but you want to add some variants with regard to 3 or maybe 2 different emails or the way it's sent out to your respective prospects. The spin tags option does the rest for you. So once you go ahead and select your templates, you then go ahead, select the leads. Over here, we have our leads in 2 particular options. So the first option is you can go ahead, which is through our list, which I showed you earlier. You can get your leads from there, or you can simply download So it doesn't mean that you only get your leads from the Lead Explorer. If you have leads from another source, you can also go ahead and upload the leads with us. Additionally, if you had leads from the Lead Explorer that you had downloaded earlier, you can also upload that as well. Now, once this is done, you move on to the settings. Over here, you select the account through which you want to send the emails. You also have some advanced features here as well. Like, say, for example, you want to add a link which can be tracked, or you want to add some CCs or BCCs. You have all these options over here. And then you move on to the last section, which is your schedule. You have the option to send the emails right away or at a stipulated date and time as per your requirement. So this is the end-to-end process as to how our cold email outreach works. And now you may be wondering as to how you could track responses. Well, I'm coming to that in a bit. But before that, we also have a very key feature known as a Unibox or a universal box. Over here, when you click on this, you would be able to see all linked accounts, all responses across all accounts that have happened, which is something which also is a very key feature. Now, moving on to one of the second most, I would say, key features of our platform, because we always keep talking about key features. And yeah, when we talk about key features, SalesTarget.ai doesn't have an end to key features, honestly. So yeah, moving on to one of the next key features is our CRM tool. So a CRM tool is a tool which actually helps you to close deals, follow up deals, create meetings. If you have members, you can assign tasks to them and comprehensively have a proper overview of your entire business. And then now, one of the most interesting key features of SalesTarget.ai is our Copilot feature. So our Copilot feature is one through which it helps you to find the right prospects, it runs campaigns, and it also helps you create templates or any kind of help that you might require with your campaign or your upscaling requirement. That's why we call our Copilot your personal AI tool. So well, guys, I hope that this video of SalesTarget.ai was informative, and I would also like you to go through this video, and maybe if you want, you can share, like, and subscribe. And maybe if you know someone that is interested or you believe that SalesTarget.ai would be potentially helpful to them, you can always forward our video to them. So until next time, stay tuned and have a good day.